Hey guys, you see? Today I'm gonna show you my gaming setup. You see my brother laughing at me because I'm not making any views.
But when you funny, your voice is funny.
You see, you just say that. One day I'll become a famous YouTuber like some of you guys. Like Crystal,
Summer,
Crystal, Roxy, Lily, Kevin, Dash,
and
Dash, and Cam, Coco. All of those YouTubers, Cash,
and Jeffrey.
Hey, shut up.
And Jeffrey.
And John, guys. And thank you, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. And I want to show my gaming setup in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's right here, guys. This is my gaming setup. I was just eating right there, now. And now I'm getting ready to upload a video. Thank you, guys. Bye.